it was showing status up but protocol down since we connect the cables. Okay, now from here just type up arrow, you will get the same command. Okay, if you press again, you will get the previous command one by one down. So show IP interface brief, you can see the change now. See, after you connect the cable on both side and configurations, if it is done, protocol wise also. So you can see protocol is also up now. Okay, so just for summarizations, just need to copy these things. Later I can give you explanation. Yes. Okay. Now let's check, have we configured correctly or not by verifying pinging. Okay, same IP assignments, everything. So previously you notice the 20.100, sorry, 20.200 wasn't pinging. Let's see what happens. So did you check this one now? So initially one packet has dropped still. So because it's due to ARP protocol and all, it's initially it doesn't have the idea of where's that 20.200 device. So for that one packet dropped and rest started pinging. Okay. So previously we noticed without a router from one VLAN, which means VLAN 10, we couldn't ping VLAN 20 device, 20.200 or 20.100, whichever, even if it is connected to the same switch. Okay, but now just see, it started pinging, right? So there you go. So these are the basic things, and all the commands which I have entered, I just had it in my mind. So like when you work on these ones and configure, so when you start configuring things, it will be automatically registered. Okay, so don't by heart it. Try get some practice on these configurations, so it will be easier. And you can use the help options like tab and autofill. So if you press tab, it will autofill the command, or space options are there, or question mark, and try the options, whatever the options you can use for like filling the commands, everything. Okay, so I think we have done a little bit more so far. For you, it's fine. Just try to ping the server now. Yeah, you can see here. So when I try to ping the server 192.168.20.250, it's not pinging. Actually, I just figured out what's the issue. Actually, when we assign VLAN up to this port, we have assigned VLAN 20, and the 17th port with the server connected, I have assigned it in the VLAN 30, I think. Okay, I'm thinking that's the reason. Yeah, FA17 on VLAN 30, right? So this is how you started troubleshooting. So when it's not pinging, you just go to the VLAN brief and check the port number And also you just need to check the port is up or not in reality by show interface status. If it is a router, you will use the command which is show IP interface brief. Okay, show IP interface brief, which is for routers. Okay, okay. So what else you might need to know? So let me provide this particular option as your homework, or I'll leave it to you guys. Now that you know how to assign a VLAN and how to assign ports for the VLAN and how to check the ping and even router interfaces, logical interfaces I have created and check the ping. So you just need to make this 17th port in VLAN 20 on this particular switch 2, and then you can simply ping. And also in addition, you can assign some other device on VLAN 30 ports and check pinging. Okay, so this is simple as that. So you don't need to panic on this. You can just go through the I think 3-4 videos previously I have done, right? So go through everything and you'll be familiar with these things. Okay. Also, before I conclude, I just wanted to introduce one more command, show VTP status. Okay. So you can see VTP is VTP is VLAN trunk protocol. Okay. So show VTP status is to confirm whether the VTP is active or VTP statuses, uh, whether pruning mode is there or anything. So when we do VLAN trunk protocol VTP, we just have a look at this. Okay. By now, just check it's disabled, pruning disabled, and domain name is not there. VTP version 1 to 2. Okay. Version running is 1. So these details are there. And operational mode it shows server. Those kind of things we will discuss later.